Assalamu alaikum guys. So in this video we will continue our study with our Arabic vocabularies. So today we'll learn a couple of more vocabularies because vocabulary is very important in understanding Arabic. The more vocabulary you have, the more it becomes easier for you to understand the Arabic language. So let's begin. Bismillah. So today our first word is barqun. Barqun, lightning. Sahabun. Sahabun, clouds. Sahabatun. Sahabatun, a cloud. As-samau. As-samau, sky. Ardun. Ardun, earth. Najmun. Najmun, star. Al-kamaru. Al-kamaru, moon. Ash-shamsu. Ash-shamsu, sun. Al-jibalu. Al-jibalu, mountains. Jabalun. Jabalun, mountain. Naharun. Naharun, river. Baharun. Baharun, sea. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in another video. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.